The European Union Medical Device Regulation, or EU MDR, was proposed in 2012 and published in 2017. This gave medical device manufacturers 3 years to implement and comply with the new requirements by May 26, 2020. The new regulations support free market access and ensure medical device manufactured or supplied into the EU meet strict safety and quality standards. They will also significantly increase the amount of data that medical device manufacturers and suppliers are required to provide to place their products in the EU market. Highlights of the new regulation include: medical device manufacturers and suppliers will report and identify all substances that are contained in their product that exceed the 0.1% threshold, as well as provide justification for the substance use. Companies will provide appropriate labeling for packaging in all European languages, as well as identification of the device type, such as medical device, in vitro, or carcinogenic. An organization found to be non-compliant with EU MDR regulations could face strong penalties. Penalties include loss of market access and current contracts, which could have a negative impact on both the manufacturer's reputation as well as brand. A robust enterprise-wide strategy is essential to manage global quality and compliance regulations. AssurX software provides the agility necessary to centralize and manage quality and compliance for the medical device manufacturing industry. To learn more, give us a call or click the link below to request a live demo.